스테이크. salmon soy sauce 스테이크 아닌가? salmon soy sauce 스테이크. salmon steak for take only 10 minutes. 나이프. 그리고 또 양념 캔고 inside. This one is 1/3 of 1.3 pounds.
Okay.
About this big.
Garlic. Soy sauce.
Maybe medium 2 spoonful.
Sesame oil.
2 spoonful. And crushed sesame seeds. This is it. And
That's it?
We will microwave.
Oh.
Okay. You can bake it. You can microwave. You can pan fry. Either way is fine. But food not using the cooking oil.
Microwave is fast.
Microwave is fast. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. 3 minutes. Look at this.
So fast.
You guys can eat with this rice and kimchi.
Okay.
You have to make sure if it's cooked fully. If you like it well done, you have to. Oh, it's completely cooked, right? Yeah, it's good. Eat this with rice and kimchi.
So easy.